Did you know a sneeze is your body's powerful way of clearing irritants from your nose? It's incredibly fast. A sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. But why does your body sneeze? It's your body's way of clearing irritants. But there's more. Sneezing spreads germs. One sneeze can release thousands of droplets. It can spread many germs in the air. That's why it's essential to cover your mouth. Otherwise, you might infect others. Sneezing is your body's superpower. Use it wisely, or face the consequences. So next time you sneeze, remember this. For more vital knowledge, follow Vital Sips.